It's been just 2 weeks since Sora AI dropped, and the internet is going crazy. I'm talking about videos so realistic that even experts can't tell they're AI generated. Just 5 days ago, a Sora-made video hit over 400 million views. Another, of a cat stealing a fish, blew up past 200 million. Every drop of water, every movement, completely created by AI. That's the power of Sora. But creators are taking it to the next level. We're seeing CCTV-style videos, animals rescuing kids, and even celebrity people videos, like Albert Einstein brought to life again with jaw-dropping realism. These videos are easy to grab attention instantly and keep people watching. And guess what? You can do this too. I'm going to show you exactly how to access Sora, use the best tools, and start creating viral, hyper-realistic videos today. This is your chance to ride the biggest AI wave we've ever seen. So let's dive in. Let's get you set up. We're using Soraaivideo.net. It's one of the few sites that gives you realistic, watermark-free results. Other platforms slap massive watermarks across your videos. Soraaivideo, totally clean, perfect for posting right away. Here's what to do. Go to the link in the video description, Soraaivideo.net. Click Login, continue with your email, pick your account, hit Continue, and you're in. Before we start generating, I've already prepared all the prompts you'll need. They're linked below, so you can literally copy and paste. No writing skills required, no guesswork, just pure creation. You probably saw that viral clip of a cat stealing a fish, hundreds of millions of views. We're doing the same concept, but this time, it's a monkey stealing a banana. Here's how. Copy the first prompt from the description. Go back to Sora AI, choose text to video, and paste it in. Now for the aspect ratio. If you're making YouTube shorts or TikToks, go 9:16. If you want cinematic YouTube footage, go 16:9. I'll go 16:9 for this one. Hit create and watch. This is the part that never gets old. Sora begins generating frame by frame, shadows, textures, movement. So real it feels like you're watching a live recording.
Hey, stop right there! Put that back! Stop! Out of the way! Move!
It even generates natural dialogue and sound. Sora interprets context, so it makes characters speak or act appropriately without you writing a single line. Once it's done, click Download, give it a name, and save it. You just made your first hyper-realistic AI video. Let's make something even crazier. The kind of clip people argue about in the comments. Is this real? Grab the second prompt from the description, paste it into Sora, and hit Create Video. This time, we're generating a CCTV-style scene. A kid on a street, a monkey approaching, and suddenly, a cat jumps in to protect the kid. It looks like security footage pulled from a real camera. Grainy, believable, perfect for short-form platforms. Once it's ready, hit download again and save it. That's your second viral clip. Done. Now for something mind-bending. Have you seen those AI videos where Albert Einstein appears alive again, talking, smiling, gesturing like he's really here? We're about to make one. Copy the Einstein prompt, paste it into Sora, and this time, imagine him standing right in the heart of modern Berlin. Cars passing, people walking by. Einstein, alive again, giving a passionate speech about the world. We'll make this one a bit funny too. Something lighthearted but still jaw-dropping. Hit create and wait for the render. Once it's done, play it back.
Imagine for a moment the world slowing around you. Every step, every wheel turning, linked together like the gears of a...
Okay, time for chaos. Remember that monkey swept up by a tornado video that hit millions of views? Let's recreate it. Copy the next prompt, paste it in, and hit create video. Sora will generate the full tornado sequence. It's cinematic madness. Next, we're going to make a realistic and funny video. Just copy your prompt, paste it into with Sora AI video, hit create video, and watch the eye tears clip come to life.
Oh my!
Go ahead, it's gone!
Wait, what?
Ha! Ha! Oh,
No way.
we match!
I guess the secret's out.
Now for the last video. This time, we're switching to image to video. Paste your prompt, upload your image, and hit create video. And here's where it gets spooky smart. Sora actually animates your still image. When it's ready, download it and save your masterpiece. You now have a full set of Sora-powered viral clips.
Oh my god.
That's a big ball. Hold on.
He's coming, he's coming!
See him. Going back.
Easy.
We're clear, just letting him have the road.
He's slowing, thank goodness.
Yeah, keep rolling back.
Sora gives you 16 free credits to start. If you upgrade, it's enough for several full videos. But once you've burned through those and want to keep generating, you can upgrade for just $9. It's a small price for what could easily turn into your next viral hit, or even a full content brand built entirely on AI video. And that's it. You now know how to make viral, hyper-realistic videos with Sora. From funny animal clips to realistic CCTV CCTV to historical figures reborn. So before everyone else floods your feed with these, jump in now. Ride the wave while it's still rising. Hit that subscribe button, drop a like, and let me know in the comments which Sora video you want me to try next.